In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Cyberghost VPN in just 5 minutes. Whether you're concerned about privacy, accessing content safely, or simply seeking a secure browsing experience, setting up Cyberghost VPN is incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step, so you can navigate it with ease. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Cyberghost VPN official website. This is your hub for all things related to your VPN account and where our journey begins. Once the website is loaded, look towards the top right corner of the page and locate the link labeled My Account. Give that a click, and it'll direct you to the login page. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your account dashboard. Skipping this step, now you'll see the prompt to log in. Use your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to recover it, so don't worry. With that set, you'll be at the Cyberghost home dashboard, ready to proceed. At this point, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. Look for the Profile tab on this page. By clicking on this, you're opening up a full view of your account details and options. This includes everything from your personal information to your current subscription status. With the profile information displayed, find your way to the Subscriptions section. Clicking here will take you to a dedicated page showcasing all your active subscriptions with Cyberghost. This is a crucial step, as it's where you'll see essential details about your plan, and importantly, where you'll find the key we'll be using. Now, it's time to locate the activation key. Generally, this can be found near your subscription details. Once you spot it, click on it. This key is what you'll use to activate the VPN on your devices. Copy the activation key carefully, ensuring you haven't missed any characters or added any extras. If you haven't received an activation key or are having trouble finding it, double-check any emails from Cyberghost or reach out to their support for assistance. And just like that, you're all set. With the activation key ready to go, you can now continue to activate Cyberghost VPN on your device of choice, enabling you to surf online with enhanced privacy and security. Remember, keeping your VPN client updated is crucial to maintaining security, so be sure to check for updates periodically. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy a safe and private browsing experience with Cyberghost VPN. Catch you in the next video.